What's up, crew? I know it's been a long time since I put out any kind of video content, but I'm excited to be bringing that back into the equation. We got some exciting installs and some trips that we're going to be doing, and we got a lot more friends that are going to be joining in on those trips, and so I'm very excited to have a crew of people, to have some friends and some things to be doing trips and installs and all those things. And so this channel is a place for all things on adventure and the 4Runner and off-roading, but also I think with that I want this to be some photography stuff too, because here's what I know: you guys on Instagram, on YouTube, love seeing cars in cool places, love seeing cool pictures, and so I kind of want to bring the two worlds together and kind of mesh this photography in this off-roading culture together. And so you're going to be seeing some more photography things on here, and it's going to be great because you'll be able to use your iPhone, a DSLR, mirrorless camera, wherever you're at. There's going to be some cool things that we're doing. But like I said, we're still going to stay up to date with all things 4Runner, installs, adventures, you name it. This is going to be a one-stop place for adventure and capturing adventure, and I'm pumped to bring you guys along for the journey. So I've got some big plans for this year. I know I touched on the fact that we haven't put out anything in a long time. We haven't been doing nothing. We actually got to do a really cool trip. I started an off-road group with some buddies called Flatland Off-Road. It's a West Texas off-road crew of all people that love Toyotas and Lexus, and so we got a really cool group of guys and gals that are jumping in, doing off-roading, going on trips. And so we launched that, and right before Christmas of 2020, we got to go on a trip together and do a hangout at the Canadian River area north of Amarillo, also known as the Rosita Flats area. So there's, a few different names, but we got to do a really cool trip and get to meet a lot of really cool people. And so today what we're going to jump into is I'm just going to give you some awesome footage from that trip. And all the footage you see is brought to you by Halcyon Industries. He's my buddy. He's been doing drone footage and drone work, and he's legit, and so you can follow him on Instagram. Also, if you're someone that wants to be part of that Flatland Off-Road group, you can look for us on Facebook, and this is all people that are in West Texas, from Permian Basin to Lubbock, all the way up to Amarillo. Even we have a few Eastern New Mexico Clovis people, but we'd love for you to jump in and join our adventures with us and get to connect with some people that are local to you. You can also join. We're working on a mailer coming out soon. You can email us at the.flatland.offroad@gmail.com, and we'll get you up to date with all the things that we're doing. So we're going to jump in and show you some cool footage of us ripping it out at the Canadian River. Thanks for jumping back in and looking forward to the future with you.